excited too.
Tonight on the season premiere of America's Funniest Home Videos.
Brian is great at this trick. This isn't Brian. Sure, we can put a man on the moon, but we shouldn't put a kid in this field. What happens when a baby goes through a tunnel? Tunnel vision. Will all cute dogs please raise their ears?
Please do it, baby. Here we are, January 2nd.
All right, shut it off.
Okay.
If you're going to fall in the snow, you might as well do it a foot from a hot tub.
Ooh.
Well, this explains why Dave has that fresh pine scent. I don't know if he shattered any records, but he sure shattered something. I hope some of that food goes to his hips, if only to weigh him down. Misty, what is it, girl? There's trouble in the drywall? Looks like someone flunked remedial walking. Forget the thinking cap. He needs a thinking helmet.
To study the review sheet.
This teacher grades on a curve and teaches on the floor. Tonight, the Midwest is the center of attention. We're going to Illinois. Grandpa's having a hard enough time. He doesn't need to go picking up hitchhikers. They say Chicago is the Windy City. I say Gray's Lake can hold its own.
I want to try.
Do you want me to pull over?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Well, who's gonna work the pedals? Who's gonna work the pedals?
So that's what you mean by a dog trainer. There's a little llama mama drama in Glenview.
Flash me right when right there.
Yeah, it's recording. Watch. Give me 5, dude. Give me 5. All right. Give me 5. You high 5. You high 5. 5. Give me 5, dude. All right.
There's got to be an easier way to open a mailbox. She's a little paranoid. She thought there was a snake on that branch. Trust me, there is no snake on that branch.
For Michelle. Scared him all away.
Personally, I wouldn't jump a ramp that had 2 skulls next to it. Plumbing the depths of our ignorance, it's great moments in bad ideas. 2 dudes try to knock down tree with rope. Boy does monkey bars after eating buttered popcorn. Teen tries to hurdle barbecue.
Oh my God!
Girl skips geography class.
Yay! I'm in China! Yay! I'm in China! I'm in China!
This has been AFE's Great Moments in Bad Ideas. Hey, there's got to be a better way to clear the table. Dude, before you go sledding, at least look at the bottom of the hill. I don't know if he overestimated the strength of that rope or underestimated his weight. First stop, drive-through. Second stop, car wash.
Oh, that's good. Good stuff, isn't it? My, look at that. Wow. Oh, yeah, that's good stuff, isn't it? Oh, my. Oh, I bet you'd like some of this, isn't it? Oh, yes. Oopsie. There you go.
It's a catapult.
Let me take it again.
I hope this is recyclable, because I'd love to see this again. Oh, you wouldn't think you'd need a cup to go swimming.
I think you jump off it.
This is a good way to break a limb. And that tree branch.
Oh, are you okay?
Mary had a little lamb.
Hey, there's a camera! Hey, there's a camera! Awesome! Hello! Hi! This is not spooky. This is not... You hear me?
What's going on? Look at little Nicholas. Hi, Nicholas. Oh, no. Don't puke on... Oh, she did. That's awesome. I got it on video. I was so scared when this little frog... I went to open the door. And there it was. It scared the crap out of me. Hey, he's gonna jump on me and I'll die. I think he wants to jump. I know, don't look at me so much. Look.
Here's Natalie.
Hi, I'm Natalie.
She's riding without training wheels.
I'm riding without 10 wheels.
Throw him up in the air again like you did a while ago and see if he just flies somewhere else and lands. Oh, man, look here. It's recording now. Oh, it's recording? See if he lands somewhere. Yeah.
It's not real loud and obnoxious. It's just smooth, just like me.
Got some goodies you gotta get out?
Do not adjust the color. There's nothing wrong with your TV.
Do it. You can do it. You can do it, baby. Come on, let him out, babe.
He could go all the way, but his pants won't. He puts the "oh" in pogo.
Did I get on a film? Yeah.
These fatigues are really wearing him out.
Kids, what are you doing?
Boogie board, go downstairs, take 2. Action. Go.
Yoga balls are good for your back. Little brothers, not so much. If that tree is going down, it's taking someone with it.